Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. As our daily routine, I have come up with some news and reviews regarding today's post-market report. Now let's come on to the first one, that is the US market. It was seen that the US market was terribly bad in red. Apart from that, we will go on to the next one to see what are the global indices. Over here you could see only the Nasdaq and Singaporean Nifty, both were in green. Apart from that, the entire global indices were observed to be in red. Now let's check out what happened today in the Nifty. The Nifty today was ended up at 9,902. That was fairly 2.12% in the negative, and the ending was also in red. If you look at the charts, the day started with a gap down, which was fairly observed to be more than 10,000, but before 10,100 points. Later it rallied down to something below 9,900. After slightly improvement, it ended up at 9,910.15 points. So in overall, you can say the day was very bad day for the market to run. Now let's go on to the next one to observe what were the top 5 gainers and top 5 losers of the day. There were a few newses which are going to be discussed after this. Based on that, there was some kind of movement observed in the market. It was out of expectation that IndusInd Bank would go on for upwards, and it was observed that it went upwards. A big loser yesterday, Hero MotoCorp, was observed to go at a small pace in plus today. Apart from that, you can see on your screen what are the top gainers and top losers. Now we move on to the next one, that is the newses. In the first news, the much awaited case was being discussed today. Although it got another date, but still the Supreme Court said no to AGR case against government companies and asked the dot companies to scrap its demands. If we further go on to the reading of the judgment copy that was being discussed in today's Supreme Court's judgment, the Supreme Court has issued an instruction to the Telecommunication Department to withdraw its demand of payment from public sector companies like Power Grid Corporation of India, GAIL India, GNFS, and Oil India. Added to it, the Supreme Court also pointed out that it was misuse of its judgment, which was dated 24th of October, wherein it had ordered the telecommunication companies to pay around 1 trillion rupees as dues for underreporting their revenues. Apart from that, there was another headline regarding Cipla. Cipla is going to acquire 22% stake in GoApp TIV. That is a major pharma company. On Wednesday had said that it is going to acquire 21.85% stake in GoApp TIV. Well, That's it, guys. For the day's report, these were the activities which were witnessed. I hope you liked the video. If you did, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and now the bell notification is on. So if you haven't clicked the bell notification, kindly click it for getting a notification on my new video uploads. I wish you the very best for tomorrow's last trading day for the week. Till then, take care and bye bye.